was a quiet evening. The sky was gray. Soft rain began to fall. Emma closed her umbrella for a moment and looked around. The streets were almost empty. People hurried home before the rain became stronger. She pulled her warm coat closer and smiled. She liked rainy evenings. Everything felt calm. Everything felt slow. As she walked past a small park, she heard a tiny sound. Woof! It was very quiet, almost like a whisper. She stopped. She listened again. Hoofa! This time she knew she had heard it. She looked around carefully. Near a bench, under a small bush, something moved. Emma slowly walked closer. There, hidden beneath the wet leaves, sat a tiny puppy. Its fur was soaked from the rain. Its little paws were shaking. Its big brown eyes looked up at her. The puppy looked scared. Very scared. Emma quietly knelt beside it. She didn't speak. She didn't move too quickly. She simply smiled. The puppy took one small step back. Then it looked at her again. Rain continued to fall. Emma gently took off her soft scarf. She carefully wrapped it around the little puppy. For the first time, the puppy stopped shaking. Emma slowly picked up the little puppy. It was so light. She could feel its tiny heart beating very fast. "Don't worry," she whispered. "You are safe now." The puppy looked at her with curious eyes. It didn't bark. It simply rested quietly in her arms. They walked together through the rainy streets. When they reached Emma's home, she gently opened the door. Warm light filled the hallway. The puppy looked around carefully. Everything was new. Emma dried its soft fur with a warm towel. She filled a small bowl with fresh water. Then she found a little blanket and placed it near the fireplace. The puppy walked toward it slowly. It circled once, twice. Then it lay down. A few minutes later, Emma brought a small bowl of food. The puppy sniffed it. Its tiny tail moved a little, then a little more. Soon it was happily eating. Emma smiled. The room suddenly felt warmer, not because of the fire, because she was no longer alone. The next morning, sunlight filled the room. The rain had disappeared. Emma opened the curtains. The little puppy was already awake. Its tail wagged happily. It ran toward her tiny steps at a time. Emma laughed. For the first time in many days, her home was filled with joy. They spent the morning together. They walked through the park. They watched butterflies dance above the flowers. The puppy chased falling leaves. Emma couldn't stop smiling. She realized something important. She thought she had rescued a lonely puppy, but maybe the puppy had rescued her. Sometimes life sends us unexpected gifts, not in big boxes, not with loud surprises. Sometimes they arrive quietly, with tiny paws, a warm heart, and a wagging tail, because sometimes the one you save is the one who changes your life forever.